Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is something that is asked regularly about the changes on the Start menu in Windows 11. And one question that I had today was anything else that will be, added to the Start menu in upcoming weeks or months for 26H2 and so on. We know that there is some more customization options that will arrive to the Start menu. There will be a few things that are going to change. Of course, we know that the taskbar will have options to have the taskbar anywhere on the either at the top or the sides of the screen, like some people would like. But in terms of the Start menu, people want more customization because even though it has changed, it kind of is a little better. It's still not customizable like people would like to. They would like most of the comments I see is people would like for example, just to go to the edge and customize the size of that Start menu, just like in Windows 10. In Windows 10, if you have that Start menu and you go to the edge with your mouse pointer, you'll see that you can click and make the Start menu larger, smaller, as you wish. So there will be some options like that, but those options are going to be more into a menu where you'll have choices rather than dragging the mouse pointer with the Start menu and so on. And all of that is going to come with the customization settings, the personalization settings. So when you'll go into personalization, a few things that we don't see now when we go to the Start menu, this will change. We'll have, for example, here an option that will show up that's saying, do you want a small or do you want a medium or large Start menu? So you'll be able to choose the size, but it's not, once again, like Windows 10 where you drag the side of the Start menu. It's really fixed options that are not that customizable, basically. So there will be a few options like that will be added to the Start menu, and also to the way that it actually is showing up on your screen. It is improvements, slow improvements, but still, from the comments I can read on, for example, the Feedback Hub, it's still far from what a lot of people would like to see that Start menu do. And that, unfortunately, is a problem where Microsoft has a hard time really, kind of doing a Windows 10 style Start menu that you can really customize to your liking. But there are going to be some changes, and we know there's going to be more in 2027. So slowly, that Start menu will probably get better options to customize it the way you want as time goes by. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.